Hello. Okay, welcome again. Okay, today we're going to see how to use cloud. So we have been speaking of a lot of things in here Huawei, especially when we are using these eNSP tools. But um, we have seen a lot of devices in eNSP. There is router, switches, firewall, access control, access points, and devices, and most of the devices we have been using them when we are doing our labs. But some devices or some things that um, we didn't see how we use them. So today I'm going to explain one of the device which is rarely used by most of us when we are creating our app. So we're going to see that device and how to use it, how to set up your app, how to configure and so on. So in this lab we're actually going to see just a basic, just a basic, a, a foundations of this device, not just we will not go deep to see other functionalities, but only um, only a small knowledge on cloud. So how can you get cloud? When you open eNSP, you go to this tab where there is where there is nodes. Then you see router, switches, VLANs. But after any devices, there is this symbol icon here. So this icon will give you options, which is clouds. There is this frame relay switch and hub. So you take cloud. So this cloud, actually, I'm going to explain what is this cloud and how we can use this cloud. Yes, let's go fast so that we can make this video short and simple. So this cloud, actually, it acts like the interface. So it provides the interface between our simulated environments when our eNSP and other network card, network adapter in the computer. So when you click on the cloud icon, then you go to setting, it will pop up this menu. Then this menu actually will have a lot of things. So I'm going to explain each and everything here so that you can understand. So there is potty building. So actually, if you need to connect something to something, right, you have to you need to have the interface. So the interface will connect us to somewhere else. So for the computer, actually there is interface. Actually there is Ethernet interface, which use fast Ethernet port. But on cloud also we need to have interface so that we can connect to our computer. So it interface the eNSP environment with the other networks outside the eNSP. So how do we create that interface? So when this pop-up menu comes on, then you will go to binding info. Then the binding info, when you select here, you will see your network adapter that you have in your laptop. So I have UDP, which is a default adapter that provide the interface in the eNSP environments, but you have other adapters that may be connected to your network. Example here, I have Ethernet, which have this IP address, and I have Wi-Fi adapter, which have this interface. So this Wi-Fi adapter actually is the one which is connected to my computer. So when you go to command prompt, if you can see this, then go to ipconfig, oh sorry, ipconfig config /all. You will see there will be a lot of network adapter. As you can see, there is Ethernet adapter, there is a Wi-Fi adapter, which is WLAN, and you will see this network and this is IP address which is allocated to my computer via DHCP. So when you see this 192.168.43.72, actually it's the same on this interface, right? So that means this interface is the same as my IP address on the WLAN adapter on my computer. So also there is a lot of network adapter here, so I will be interested to one which is Wi-Fi adapter. Actually that is very useful to me. So how to clear that interface. So you select your port type, actually which kind of port you're going to create. So I'm creating the UDP to connect my cloud with my computer in eNSP, right, environment. So you create the UDP type, then you go to the port type, which kind of port you want to connect. So I prefer to use Ethernet, first Ethernet. Then after selecting the port type, there is a route. There is Ethernet, Giga Ethernet, serial, POS, E1s and ATEM, but prefer to use Ethernet. Then after Ethernet, you go here. There is two button, add and delete. So I add. I'm adding this port, this port. So when you press add, you will see that port is increased, is populated in this table, right? So this is be my interface. So when it comes to the eNSP environment, I want to connect PC1 to the cloud, right? You can go here, you can take the cable, and when you go to PC, you can connect with Ethernet 001. When you go to cloud, then you will find that there is a port, right? Okay, you can connect. Then when I want to connect the second laptop computer to my cloud, you go to the second computer, connect, select the port, then you go to the cloud. Now it says that there is no available ports, so you need to add another port on cloud so that you can interface it with this PC. So the same procedure, right click on the cloud icon, then go to setting. After setting, select the binding info to UDP, and select the port type to Ethernet. Then after there, add. You will see the port is added here, right? So this is be the second port. So the first port is connected to computer 1, and the second port will connect to PC2. So select the cable, go to cloud, then the port will be available, connect to computer, then boom, now connection is okay. As you can see, the ports the link is green now. That means it is physically connected. There is a physical connection between this one and this one. So how can I ensure that this link is through from PC1 to PC2? So I need to put IP address in my laptops so that I can try to use a ping tool to see if there is a connections between PC1 and PC2 via cloud. So let's put this IP address 192.168.43.1 here with subnet mask 24, and let's put 192.168.43.2/24 on this side. Yeah, then when you go to this laptop, we see the IP address is already configured, and then you go to this side also, go the IP address is already configured, right? And after there, we can try to ping. You can try to ping. So let's ping. Go to what? Go to command. Let's start to ping first. Ping 192.168.43.1. That means I ping the self IP, right? So this one will reply. So what about the peer one? The peer one, which is 0.2, the PC2 from PC1. After just running, it says that the destination host and reach out. That means there is no any connection yet between this one and this one. So what will be the problem? Okay, when you go to cloud, go to setting. After setting, you will see there is a port mapping setting here down, right? So this port mapping, it is acting like the interconnection between the interfaces that are available on your clouds. So this interface 1, Ethernet 1 connected to PC 1, Ethernet 2 connected to PC 2, but there is no interconnection between these two ports. So if you need to interconnect to allow traffic to pass between those ports, then you have to come to port mapping setting there. You select the port type, you select the local port number and the remote port number. So if I select the local port number 1 and the remote 2, then this one it will be a connection for a single direction traffic flow, right? So if you add it, that means you will see. So one port mapping, it is between a local port number 1 to port 2, right? Ethernet 1 and Ethernet 2. But here, that the connection will not be successful, so you have to add the bidirection one, right? The second direction. So the second direction will be between the port 2 and the port 1. Then after there you can add. So now it is connected, so the traffic will flow from port 1 to port 2 and vice versa. So after here you can cancel this one, and let's come here and try to ping the same command. If you ping it, you will see now the link is through from PC1 to PC2. So that is cloud. So that is a simple explanation of on this cloud. So I think we are going to see a lot of things on cloud on the next sessions, how to interface our eNSP environments with the outside network. If you have a network somewhere which is a little network and you need to ping it from your environments, from your eNSP environment, you can achieve it through also or via cloud. So that will be a very simple task. Also we can use to configure the files using web. Okay, web. So how can we configure file using web? We have to use our laptop web browser. So we have to connect our laptops and file via cloud, so that we can access the eNSP files via our computer browser. So that will be one of the tasks that we're going to see it on our next sessions. Okay, thank you. If you have any question, you can ask me or you can comment down, so that we can improve our session more and more. Okay, thank you for your support. Yeah, thank you.